I'm Mihika Malankar and currently I'm pursuing PGDM Business Design from WeSchool, Mumbai. Today I would like to give you a quick glimpse into my journey so far. So I have done my bachelor's in civil engineering and I always had this vision for myself to get into a techno-managerial role. So I was looking to various options like construction management or project management that would align with my civil engineering background. But then I got into a conversation with my friend who was pursuing business design from WeSchool then. I found the course very interesting and so I looked into it more. That's when I understood that how it is about design thinking and innovation and it is built around it. So I went ahead and applied for WeSchool and I'm so happy that this course is living up to my expectations. The on-ground experience and the practical projects we do are really helping us build that holistic approach towards things. Also, it is not just about academics, but WeSchool also presents us with various opportunities to participate in competitions and also be parts of conferences. As a student of business design, I was fortunate enough to get an opportunity to attend the UX India International Conference that was held in Bangalore. Also recently, my team was shortlisted for the Smart India Hackathon and it was a proud moment to represent WeSchool at the national level. Here, the design thinking approach definitely gave us an edge. So yes, if you are looking for a holistic development and to build skills that will eventually become the norm of the industry, PGDM Business Design is the course for you. Looking forward to see you at WeSchool. Thank you.